Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical portable steam sauna, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from. Portable steam sauna, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best portable steam sauna from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. SereneLife Portable Sauna with Heated Footpad and Folding Chair for Home. Relax and unwind with the SereneLife Portable Sauna with Heated Footpad. This infrared sauna features 3 carbon fiber heating panels, providing rapid heat and reaching a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can enjoy soothing sessions for up to 60 minutes. Perfect for detoxifying your body, rejuvenating your skin, and relieving stress, muscle tension, and fatigue. It also supports weight loss, making it ideal after a workout or a long day. Designed for comfort and convenience, this portable sauna includes a heated foot pad, a folding chair, and a spacious interior with a double pull zipper and an interior pocket for storage. The transparent window allows you to stay connected with your surroundings. Its foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use. Measuring 35.4 into 35.4 into 70.9 inches, this sauna is made from durable thermal insulation fabric, ensuring minimal heat loss and easy cleaning. Enjoy a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. Number 2. X-Vcak Portable Steam Sauna Box for Home. The X-Vcak Portable Steam Sauna Box is the perfect addition to your home wellness routine. With a generous size of 31.18 into 31.2 into 70.8 inches, this sauna tent is designed to fit adults comfortably, offering enough room to sit or stand. It features a high-power steamer that quickly generates steam, allowing for an efficient and relaxing experience. You can easily adjust the temperature and timer 1 to 99 minutes with the steamer or remote control. For added comfort, the sauna includes a waterproof folding chair and an interior pocket to store your phone or small items. The transparent zippered window provides ventilation, letting you stick your head out if needed, while the anti-dry burning and anti-leakage functions ensure safety during use. Portable and easy to set up, this steam sauna can be used in your living room, bathroom, or any space you choose. Enjoy the benefits of a spa-like steam session in the comfort of your own home. Number 3. Dulamiy Portable Full-Body Steam Sauna Box for Home. The Dulamiy Portable Full-Body Steam Sauna Box is the perfect solution for enjoying a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. Featuring a 1,000-watt efficient heater and 3-liter large-capacity water tank, this sauna offers fast heating with 9 levels of temperature control and a timer range of 10 to 99 minutes, all controlled by a convenient remote. The stainless steel frame ensures durability and safety, with features like anti-dry burning, automatic power off, and leakage protection for peace of mind. Designed for portability, this sauna can be easily folded and stored, making it ideal for use in any room. The high-quality insulation fabric retains heat and stabilizes the internal temperature. A foldable sauna chair is included for ultimate comfort, while the 2-way zipper design allows easy access to the sauna. Enjoy the health benefits of improved circulation, detoxification, and relaxation with this compact, high-performance home sauna. Number 4. Steupoek Upgraded Version Portable Full-Body Sauna for Home. The Steupoek Upgraded Version Portable Full-Body Sauna offers a convenient and relaxing sauna experience at home. Designed with an easy-to-install detachable frame, it features 2 frame-length options, ensuring flexibility and portability. With its special patented design, this sauna offers faster heating and enhanced comfort thanks to its transparent window and adjustable zipper, so you can read or use your phone while relaxing. Equipped with a 1,000-watt steamer and a 2.6-liter water capacity, The sauna heats up in just 5 minutes and reaches temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The remote control allows you to set the time 1 to 99 minutes and temperature, making it easy to customize your experience. Built with premium stainless steel construction and dermal insulation fabric, the sauna ensures efficient heat retention and durability. The sauna also includes a foldable chair with a 100 kg weight capacity, perfect for ultimate comfort and relaxation at home. Enjoy personalized health benefits and rejuvenate anytime, anywhere. Number 5. LifePro Infrared Tempered Glass Door Home Sauna. The LifePro Infrared Tempered Glass Door Home Sauna offers a relaxing and rejuvenating sauna experience right in your own backyard. This portable and easy-to-set-up sauna features an insulated tent design, perfect for creating your personal steam room in outdoor spaces. Equipped with a wood-burning stove and temperature gauge, you can enjoy a traditional sauna experience with customizable heat control. Benefit from the health advantages of sauna therapy, including improved circulation, detoxification, and deep relaxation. Enhance your experience with sauna rocks, which allow you to create soothing steam by pouring water over them, providing additional muscle relief and stress reduction. The spacious sauna tent comfortably fits up to 4 people, making it an ideal choice for family use or group relaxation. With windows on all sides, enjoy scenic views while unwinding in this cozy and spacious outdoor sauna. Create your own wellness retreat and experience the ultimate in-home sauna relaxation. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.